Stop scrolling. What if I told you that very soon, you wouldn't have to give people your WhatsApp phone number anymore? Instead, they will be able to find you with a single username, helping you keep your number more private and reducing unwanted contacts. And most people don't even know that this feature exists yet. And if you set it up early, you will already be ahead when it comes available to everyone. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp just like this. For some people, you see a notification that says reserve your username. If you see it, simply tap on it. But if you don't worry. So all you need to do is to tap the three dots here. Next, go to setting. Then tap on account. Here you see username, tap on it. Now you can either use your Instagram username or Facebook username if you want. But if you want something different, tap create username. Type the username you want to use. Once you're done, tap save. That is it. Your username will be reserved for you. When this feature is fully available, people will be able to search for you using your username instead of your phone number, giving you more privacy on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and share this video with someone who needs to know this, and follow for more hidden phone tips and private tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Peace out.